Ahmed Deedat explains the reason why Jesus is returning.
I says, no, he's coming along to rectify you. And he's telling you in the Gospel of St. Matthew, he says, many will say to me on that day, in his second coming, on his return, and many will say to me on that day, Lord, Lord, did we not prophesy in thy name, and in thy name cast out devils, and in thy name do many mighty works? They're going to ask Jesus, didn't we do all these things? We built hospitals, orphanages, and we looked after the Aborigines, and we looked after the Maoris, and we looked after the Indians. Yes, all these things we did. We educated all these fools, we civilized them, we cultured them, we did all the things. So did we not prophesy in thy name, and in thy name cast out devils, and in thy name do many mighty works? What does Jesus say to that? He said, I never knew you. Depart from me, footsack, get away, you rubbish, get away. He said, depart from me, ye that work iniquity. You are evildoers, you are evilmongers. Amazing. You who are working in the name of Christ, looking after the lepers, looking after orphans, Mother Teresa, wonderful work she's doing. By God, I tell you, I bow my head down out of respect for her. All the wonderful things you people are doing. The way you look after the animals. Animal conservation, to preserve life. Fantastic things you are doing. But for human beings as well, what you are doing. And that's what you're going to say to Jesus. Didn't we do all these things for you in your name? And he's going to tell you, footsack. Footsack. I don't know, this Afrikaans word. Means get away. Get away, you rubbish. Like you say to a dog, shish, shish, shish. He's going to do that to you. Why would he do that to you? When you did all these things for Jesus. Come. I am asking the Christians, he's not going to tell the Jews footsack, he's not going to tell the Muslims footsack, he's going to tell the Hindus footsack, he's going to tell you. Why would he tell you footsack? Get away, you rubbish, I don't know you. I'm asking the Christians, answer me. You know why? Because you call him Lord. He is not your Lord, he is not your God. That's the reason. That is the reason. You make him into a God. That's the reason you did all this. You bloody rubbish, I don't know you. Get away. You're not mine. You don't belong to me. Not to the Muslims, not to the Hindus, not to the atheists, but to the Christians. To the Christians and those who are claiming to be his followers. He's going to tell you, get away. Rubbish, get away. I don't know it because you have made him into a Lord God.